Hi everyone, my name is Byers. I'm Employability Manager at the university. I'm just doing this short video to explain to you as a final year student how you can complete the Ulster EDGE Award or Ulster EDGE Excel Award. So it's likely that at this stage at the start of semester 2, you've maybe completed 1, 2, 3, 4 activities and you're wanting to understand either how you can complete the EDGE Award, so how can you complete the final activities you need to, or how do you sort of verify what you've done at this point. So I'm just going to talk you through really the stages which you can go through to verify and progress with the EDGE Award. So the first thing you should do is check how many activities you've actually had. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. So you can check in the Employability Portal how many activities you've completed and that are verified. So if I just share my screen, let me just show you how to do that. So if you go to employability.ulster.ac.uk, that brings you to the Employability Portal, which is our main website for careers and employability, but also the EDGE Award. So this is the homepage, and it'll say your name and your course, and you can access all our different services here. But the thing you're looking for at this stage is about halfway down the page, right in here. So this is, once you click on this button, it'll list the activities that you've got and that we have recorded that you have completed. Now there might be that if there's one missing there, it might be that hasn't been recorded, hasn't been completed yet. But really the key question, or the key point here, is that check what you've got. If that's accurate, then you can progress to the next stage or identify new activities that you need to complete. And I'll talk about that in a minute. Or if you're confused in any way, you can contact us to find out more on what the situation is. And you can do that by using the online chat or by calling into the Campus Career Development Centre. So that's how you actually check what activities you have. So then, based on that, you'll have identified what you need to do. So if you completed the number of activities you need to complete, or do you need to do some additional activities? So let's assume you need to do 1 or 2 more additional activities. Again, there's different ways of identifying what ones you should do and what are the activities that, considering your semester 2 final year, you're under a lot of pressure, what are the best activities for you to do? My advice is that you should communicate with us to identify activities, and for us to help you identify activities that are upcoming and the ones that you can get through relatively quickly, considering the stage you're at in final year. If you want to browse different opportunities and different activities, you can do from the EDGE webpage. And these are the different categories. So for example, within career and skills development, we have a whole range of different activities that you can access. And one really good activity for a final year student who's looking for a relatively quick win and looking to get through an activity relatively quickly, a good activity for that is Skills for Your Future, which I run, and that'll be running a number of times throughout semester 2. And we'll put that on this webpage. Also within work experience, if you have a part-time job, you can complete an activity called Work Experience Skills Builder, and that's about gaining credit for your part-time job by sort of articulating the skills that you've got. But the key message is here, speak with us and we'll help you identify the activities that might best suit where you're at, what you've got already, and location and basically what's going to suit. So it's going to be important for you to get those activities under your belt pretty quickly. The EDGE Award process is, for the EDGE Award you complete 4 activities, a minimum of 4 activities. For the EDGE Excel Award you complete a minimum of 6 activities. But once you've completed your activities, you need to complete a final application, a final reflection. And that is done via Blackboard. So in about week 2, if you're a final year student registered for EDGE, you'll see a Blackboard module area really called Ulster EDGE Award 2018, and that will show you what you need to do to submit that final reflection. It's quite a short written piece, and the reason for you having to do that is that you need to be able to articulate the skills and qualities that you've got to employers and really take your learning forward from the actual EDGE Award. And the other bit I just want to say is that there's an EDGE Excel Student of the Year sort of competition award, and that's something that students can nominate themselves for. So if you completed the Ulster EDGE Excel Award and you want to be considered as Student of the Year, then you can nominate yourself for that, and you'll be required to submit a short video, sort of elevator pitch through Blackboard, and the link will be there for you to submit. Again, any questions around that, just let us know. So key link is employability.ulster.ac.uk. You'll see the Ulster EDGE award area in your Blackboard soon, probably week 2, and you call into the Campus Career Development Centre to ask any questions about EDGE.